A fire that destroyed a Portland City councilor's car and part of her home wasn't political violence, according to police. But court documents show there's another big concern. So here's what happened. A lot of people had questions when a major fire burnt the property of Councilor Candace Avalos to a crisp on a night in October. But investigators tracked the case to Vashon Locust, a homeless man who just wanted to stay warm. He lit a fire because his clothes were wet and it was cold. He tried to stomp it out. It got too big. He walked away. Caught on video. Here's where this gets important. Locust has a long criminal history, and he's been repeatedly diagnosed with schizophrenia. Multiple times, judges said he needed mental health treatment before his criminal cases could even move forward. A judge sent him to the Oregon State Psychiatric Hospital last year because of public safety concerns. A few months later, they released him to a community facility in Portland, ordered to get treatment there. He left, missed his court dates, later got arrested again. The judge said he was still too mentally ill, not a good candidate for community treatment, couldn't go back to the state hospital on the same charges, so the cases were dismissed. There was nowhere for Locust to get the right treatment or care. That's how we got here. Not politics, but Oregon's flawed mental health system. I've reported on it time and again for KGW in our investigative series, Uncommitted. This is another example of what happens when people fall through the cracks.